Everyone has a story. Let's learn how to ask and answer the question, "Where were you born?" in a simple and friendly way.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. Welcome to White Eagle. It is 9 a.m. now. I am drinking my coffee. It is a quiet morning. I like to think about life. I like to think about people. I like to think about where we come from. Today, I want to talk about something very special. It is about your beginning. It is about your story.
Every person starts somewhere. Every person has a first home. This place is important. This place is special. Sometimes we meet new people. We want to know more about them. We want to connect. A very good question to ask is, where were you born? Repeat after me. Where were you born? Try it. Where were you born? This question helps us learn about someone's start. It helps us understand their background. It is a kind question. It is a friendly question. It shows you care. It shows you want to know their unique story.
Sometimes I meet someone new, maybe at a park, maybe at a class. I like to say, "Hello, nice to meet you. Where were you born?" It is a simple sentence, but it opens a door. It helps us talk. It helps us make friends. Your beginning is part of you. It is a big part of you. Now, how do you answer this question? It is simple. You say, "I was born in." For example, I can say, "I was born in London." London is a big city. It is my home city. My family lives there. My childhood memories are there. It is a special place for me.
I was born in London. London has many beautiful parks. I played in these parks when I was a child. I was very happy there. It is a busy city, but it is also full of history. It feels like home. When I say I was born in London, I remember these feelings. I remember these moments. You can say your city. For example, I was born in New York. Or I was born in Tokyo. Or I was born in Paris. Think about your city. Think about your country. What makes it special? What do you remember? Say it aloud. I was born in... This is your story. It is a wonderful story.
Let's talk about the word was. We use was for the past. It means before now. It means in the past time. Born is a past event. It happened already. So we say I was born, not I am born, because it is not happening now. It happened a long time ago. When I was a child, I was small. I was happy. I was curious. These things happened in the past. So I say, I was small. I was happy. I was curious. My birth happened in the past. So I say, I was born. It is easy to remember. Was for things that happened already. My mother was very happy when I was born. My father was very proud. These are past feelings, past actions.
Was helps us talk about our past. It connects us to our history. It connects us to our family. It connects us to our first home. Your story has a past. It is an important past. We can also ask about other people, not just you. We can ask about a man. We say, where was he born? For example, your friend Tom. You can ask, where was Tom born? Or, where was he born? He is for a man. If you want to ask about a woman, you say, where was she born? For example, your friend Maria. You can ask, where was Maria born? Or, where was she born? She is for a woman. It is the same structure. Where was plus he or she plus born. Simple, clear. It is good to ask about others. It shows interest. It shows respect. Everyone has a story to tell, and every story is unique. Every story is special. Learning about others helps us grow. It helps us understand the world better. It helps us feel connected. We are all part of one big human family. When someone tells you their birthplace, it is good to respond. You can say, "That's great." This means you like the information. You appreciate it. It is a positive response. Or you can say, "Nice." This also means you like it. It is simple and friendly. If someone says, "I was born in Rome," you can say, "That's great. Rome is a beautiful city." Or, "I was born in Cairo." You can say, "Nice. I want to visit Cairo one day." These simple words make the conversation flow. They make people feel heard. They make people feel important. So, remember the steps. 1. Ask, where were you born? 2. Answer, I was born in city or country. 3. Use was for past. 4. Ask about others. Where was he or she born? 5. Respond. That's great or nice. This simple question is powerful. It is more than just words. It is about understanding. It is about connection. It is about respect. Our birthplace is our first home. It is where our journey began. It shaped us. It made us who we are today. My own journey started in London. It gave me my first memories. It gave me my first lessons. Life is a journey. We all start somewhere. Our first home is special. It builds us. It gives us strength. Do not forget your start. It is part of your story. It is a good part. It is a strong part. Sometimes life is hard. We have struggles. But remember your beginning. Remember your strength. Remember your roots. This memory can give you hope. It can give you courage. It can help you grow. Every day is a chance to learn, to grow, to connect. Learning English is part of your journey.
Sharing your story is part of your journey. Be proud of where you started. Be proud of who you are. Your story is beautiful. Your story matters. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Where were you born? Share your city or country in the comments. Subscribe to White Eagle for more simple English conversations.